Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to download Crossy application on your iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your App Store and also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. Once you're in this page, go to the search box and type in Crossy and search. Soon after you see this application on the display, tap on the Get button in order to download the application. Crossy is an arcade video game released on 20 November 2014. The application is available for Android, iOS, Windows Phone, and TV OS. Once the application is downloaded and installed on your device, you will be able to launch open the game and play it right on your iPhone. So that's how easily you can download Crossy application on your iPhone within a few minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.